Hello, my name is Milan Balint. I'm a technical director in SharePoint Software, and I'm going to show you the QCheck Revision. The QCheck Revision is the second main program of the QCheck system. It's used to review all entered data from QCheck or from electric test tables. I'm going to use my user account. First start, the QCheck Revision needs to download some data from the database. And this is the main layout of the QCheck Revision. Right now it's empty because there are no data inserted in the system. So we need to select some data for this testing. I will select some real data from Yazaki Michalovce. I will select the time range. There is a couple of options to select the range for filter data. There is a day, week, month, year, or the custom range. I will use the custom range. For example, I choose data from the 1st May 2011 to 15 May 2011. I will filter this. The QCheck Revision right now downloading this data from the database, and here there are all harnesses from this custom time range. On the left menu there are some basic information for the user. There is the overview that we work with data from Yazaki. There is a custom range, the counter, all harnesses without error, with error, and this is a calculation to DPU per 1000 pieces. After we select these harnesses, we can work with them. So this first tab shows us only the harness name, the count, how many harnesses with this name are in the system with error or without error. We can select, for example, some work line to create reports for these work lines. I will filter this report. After we select the filter only for these two lines, where we've got this screen divided to 6 layout. The first shows us all work groups. The second is the line. There is a report for work group without errors, work group with errors, and 2 other layouts for controls without errors and with errors. So right now we can see that on electric control there are most of the errors. We can select or filter by some work group to see these errors, or we just double click on some work group or some electric control, and after it we see all errors electric control. On this tab we see that all entered errors from the electric control. We see that most entered error is voltage, change, description, who did this error, the place of error, worker, and the count. This tab shows us a report for all errors together, not divided by errors type. This last tab is visible only for power user. The power user are users from the quality office who manage QCheck data, so they can delete, edit, or add some data manually to the system, not through QCheck. QCheck Revision is also used for maintenance data. It's done through the maintenance button. Only users with administrator rights can access this maintenance mode. In the maintenance mode, there is a couple of tabs. The first is errors. The errors tabs contains all errors that are shown to user. The second tab, all harness. All existing harness. There is only active harness, passive harness, and locked harness. Also, you can manage work groups of the systems, the user of the system. We've got a couple of nice pictures here, the lines, the projects, and the expiration dates Thanks for your attention and hope you like this QCheck Revision quick video presentation.